Hi guys, this is Mama Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Take. This video guys, I'm going to talking with you about a new and the big problem for you guys, and you may sometimes fall in this type of problem. So sometimes whenever you just insert your memory card or the pen drive in your computer's USB port, the time it just show like that it's damage there. That means sometimes it may be like that. Here this pen drive, I have just inserted my pen drive, and here my pen drive is almost 14 GB. And before sometimes ago, I just insert my pen drive in my PC, and the time it shows that only here have 199 MB. And here in these I have a lot of data, almost up to 10 GB, and here all the files are just deleted from there. And why this type of problem occurred there, and how you can just solution it, and how you can make it a full solve, this video guys I'm going to talking with you about. So before that, here I have a request for you guys, please subscribe my channel, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start it. But there have some requirement for you guys. You can't repair all of the damaged or the distracted pen drive or memory card by this solution. Make you repair your pen drive or the memory card in some condition when it just damaged. That means if your pen drive is damaged in the software, if your pen drive is corrupted, that means it's just corrupted there, or if your pen drive is just write protection there, or if your pen drive just get a virus there. That time you can just format your pen drive and you can just make it okay there. And here whenever you're just formatting this pen drive, that time it doesn't be formatted there, and here it doesn't formatted there as it is, and it just look also 199 MB still now. So without further delay, I think I should start this video. So first of all, I just go to here in the search bar, and if you are in the others, then just click on the type there the CMD, that means the command prompt from your PC in the search bar. And now here just type a word there, Diskpart. Here it is, this Diskpart, and here you will add a Diskpart, and this Diskpart you need to click on the yes, and you need to open it there. And after that you can just delete the before path there. And here this is the new path is there, and the Diskpart, then just get you the there list disk disk, sorry, and then just here it is. After just there have two disks are there, and here this is my one disk is as the hard disk, and another disk is my pen drive disk. And here in the hard disk, my whole hard disk is 465 GB there. Here in the disk 0 is my hard disk of my computer, and it's 465 GB. And here in the disk 1 it's 14 GB, that means it's my pen drive. But here my pen drive is shown here only 199 MB. But here this is the real size of my pen drive there, it's just showing you there. So from here you can just say that it's my pen drive. And from here you need to just type here another comment like that, select select, then just type this the disk number. As my pen drive is in the disk number 1, that time you just type here the disk 1, and if you just type here in the disk 0, the time it will be coming there. So always be careful in the time of selecting your disk there. It's my disk number 1. So after that type the select disk 1, then just hit the enter, and here is the disk 1 is now in the selected disk. And from here you need to click another comment there is the clean, that means the clean. And here it is the Diskpart succeeded in the cleaning the Diskpart 1. So now go to there, and here you can see that it's just cleaning all the things, and here it is, it's just corrupted there. And from here we can make it okay from there. It's now our initial tasks are done. So here we will make the final touch. So go to there this PC and click the right click there, and from here click on the manage there, and or you can do it from there also. Go to the Windows button and give a right click there in the Windows 8 or the 10. Give a right click, and from here go to the disk management from there. And here it is. This is my Diskpart is the unallocated disk one, 14.42 gigabyte. This is my unallocated, that means it's not allocated there. Now just go to their disk box and give a right click there, and from there select the new sample volume, and now click the next. And here it is. This is my sample volume size, is the actual sample volume size there. And now click on the next again, and here is the assigning following driver letter, and from here you can change it to. And now click on the next, and here is the volume level which you want to add. Now just click on the next and click on the finish there, and here it's fully okay for you guys. Now go to the check this here, and here it is. This is my sajidz stick is there, is a 14.42 gigabyte is still now alive there. So by that you can solve your corrupted or the damaged pen drive or the memory card by your PC in your home, because perhaps sometimes you fall in this problem and you just avoid this memory card and lost this memory card there and lost this memory card. But I hope that you needn't to do this now by today, because you now just know about it, how you can manage it. So that's it from me guys. Anyway guys, I hope it's really a helpful video for you guys, and if you guys just like this video, then I have a request for you guys. Please give a thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.